Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Liza and today I am going to talk about Retinol Youth Radiance Living Mask from Lotus Botanicals. This is kind of an unboxing and first impression of this product. However, I have been using this product for almost 2 weeks now, but still it is my first impression. I actually wanted to try this product out for quite a while now. I have actually used some products from Lotus Botanicals and I actually like their products. So this one was on my list to try on and finally I got around to try this one. So this is Retinol Youth Radiance Sleeping Mask from Lotus Botanicals that helps reduce fine lines and nourishes our skin. This product actually has no preservative, no toxic chemicals. This has no sulfate. This is completely paraben free and it suits all skin type. This is a 50-gram tub retailing for 695 rupees. This is quite an interesting packaging, guys. Looks so cute. And the product comes in this glass jar, looks very luxurious. This is a creamy white formula and this has a very soothing fragrance to it. And look at the texture, guys. This is very lightweight, gets absorbed very nicely, and it also provides instant hydration. Generally, sleeping mask is the last skincare step in your nighttime skincare routine. What I do is I cleanse my face with a very mild cleanser and I go ahead with my actives. Currently I am using a 2% Gran Active Retinol. With that I use this sleeping mask. This gives my skin an instant hydration that my skin really loves. This sleeping mask has bioretinol, that is plant derived vitamin A, that helps our skin with anti-aging, reduces the appearance of wrinkle and reduces the texture on our skin, and it gives instant hydration, immense hydration to our skin. When it comes to anti-aging, the most important thing that all of us seem to forget is hydration. We need to hydrate our skin properly. That will actually help with anti-aging. Whatever product that we use on our skin, without proper hydration, it doesn't work on our skin. So this sleeping mask actually provides an intense hydration to our skin that actually helps with anti-aging. This product has active botanical extracts, that is bioretinol, a natural vitamin A derivative. It is considered a holy grail ingredient for all things anti-aging and anti-acne. Retinoids reduce fine lines and wrinkles by increasing the production of collagen. They also stimulate the production of new blood vessels in our skin, which improves skin radiance. This sleeping mask actually suits my skin type perfectly. I have an oily skin type and this one suits my oily skin type very nicely. I will actually recommend this one to anyone who is thinking of starting with anti-aging products or who is already using anti-aging products. You can incorporate this one in your skincare routine and it will fit into your skincare routine very nicely. I will provide all the details about Lotus Botanicals and this product in my description box with the purchasing link. You can check that out. I think this is available on Amazon, Nykaa, of course on Lotus Botanicals official website. You can also use my code right here to get 20% off on your purchase. That is fantastic, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and first impression of this product. I will catch you guys next week. Until then, take care. Bye bye.